In this video, I will show you how you can insert columns in your Excel sheet, and also how you can insert rows or add rows in your Excel sheet. To do that, we're going to use this as our example. Let's say you wish to add a row above this. All you just need to do is to click on it, then right click and click on this insert. With this, you've added a row above this SN, state and capital. If you wish to add a column between this state and capital, all you just need to do is to click at this C column, then right click and now click on insert. With this, you've added a column on this Excel sheet. If you wish to add row in between this and this, all you just need to do is to click on this at the edge here, then right click and then click on insert. With this, you've added a row between this and this. So this is just a simple way you can add rows and columns in Excel. If you enjoyed this video, click that like button, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified of when I upload new videos in this particular channel. Thank you.